Yes. Give thanks and praise unto the King of Kings, Haile Selassie the First. Haile Selassie, as I say, is an Amharic word. And in English, it means power of the Trinity. And first, we all know what first means. Power of the Trinity. The first God this world where we live into. No. He's the first and he's the last. There shall be none after him. And I, Rasta, we don't apologize to no one. We don't sell out. And we don't take back we talk. Today, I'm going to talk about war and peace. What causing the war? Why we can't get peace? Why? The reason why is because all these old head leaders who claim that they know more than the young people don't want to quit office. It's time for them to go and let young people roll because they're more loving, more understandable, more too racist. One of fear. One don't want to be equal with everyone. One must be the first. Eh? Why? Come out from politics, man. When it's a disgrace to the human race. When you believe in a fool yourself. But you don't believe in no one son and daughter. What kind of heart do you have? Eh? You don't see when we have all a football field, how the black and white get together. You don't see that? You don't see love when we share, when young people them share. You don't see that? Huh? Warm to the brain. What wrong with you now? You don't change, man. You don't change. Because World War III no must have to happen, you know. World War III no must have to go on. When you give up on yourself with so much ammunition to kill off people. You don't realize that. You don't realize what you do. You can't think. Resign from politics. You're too wicked. You're too evil. You're too racist. I love you, man. But you see what I do, me not love it. I personally not love it. I know it's wrong. Look how much life you take, man. Look how much people you make hungry. You don't understand that. Eh? You spend so much billions upon billions making weapons to destroy mankind. You know better to feed them. You better to feed them. You understand? And man can, you see reform, man can reform, you know. But if man is no good in reforming, it don't make sense in reform, not true? So do good to people, no, man. Do good to people that they can understand, man. So well, then someone care. What you're doing is out completely with reality. You understand? One of the worst than what you do in the early part, you know? When you go to Africa, you take with people and take with footprints and put them ashamed and shocker. Yeah. One of you do no wickeder. Because the things are modern time we into. Then for modern time, we don't act modern, man. Act modern. Act civilized. Act civilized. The democratic system now work for everybody. It now work for everyone, you know. And it should be working for everyone if it's something good. But in the administration, make it look like something good. You understand what I say? Look what's going on in the Middle East. Shouldn't be going on until this time.
Relentlessly violent, bringing at once endless misery and retaliation in both directions, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict has again suddenly exploded.
We should find a solution and solve the Middle East problem long time. You understand? And look here. You see China build up in ammunition them around there. And I don't want to go around there if you go tackle with the man. That means it's going to kill half people, you know. You know, I'm planning to murder people. Why do I want to build the world over? You don't have to build it over, my brother. By murdering the people. I want to have to spend the money amongst the people. Feed the people. Feed them. Educate them. That is the reason why I'm telling you to resign. You know? To resign and give younger people them a chance. Because they lead us into destruction. And you can't see that. And so they're educated. And a ruler. And it's a disgrace to everyone, to their own sons and daughters. Not only I one, but to their own sons and daughters. You don't love them. You don't know what is love. Love is feelings. Feelings. You don't let tell a man say, I love man, you don't have no feelings for the one. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Give thanks and praise. Haile Selassie is the Almighty. Without any apology. Here's what he said. Until a philosophy which holds one race superior and another inferior is finally and totally discredited and abandoned, there must be war everywhere. Who could not understand that? It's only a racist person. It's only a racist person who is in authority who claims that they're educated. We're not able to understand those words, which is so plain and easy to understand. You see, even though the Bible is our guide, you know, but we must read it with understanding. We must read it with understanding. Because these pastors who the nation depending upon, and these politicians, these ministers who leading Haile Selassie children astray, and it's like them not care. Them not care. Today the final war started, and one must understand. One must understand that this is the Pope's final battle with the Christ man, Haile Selassie. One head in Ethiopia. What? One head down there. You can't get the throne. The crown belongs to I Rasta. You don't know that. Rasta. Pope, satisfied what you have. Satisfied what you have, boy, and tell the people the truth. There will be war everywhere if you don't give up. All nations equal under the sun. Who is you know? We fight for the one that belongs to you. And I say, Haile Selassie, he is the owner for the universe. He is the earth's rightful ruler. And a time for you to know that he is the man of all man. And the man of all man must be the owner of the world. You see, after no crucify his son, you never know saying he come. Even though his son tell you about him, you never believe. You don't see him, but you don't know him. And yet know him. Because he come like a thief in the night, not true? Yet all eyes behold him. And I history already set. You can't change it, you know. You can't change it. Save the people, man. Save the people. Because God will save you and I have the way, he know the way, and he make the way. You understand? to save no one people. No two racist. After all, where do the Ethiopian them for? You think the Ethiopian don't sell out? Ethiopian not sell out. No can't get the crown. Call off no dog them, no untrained dog them. Call them off. Because you can't get the crown. The crown belongs to Rasta. And our history can't turn back. And our history already set. For all nations, we know that. All nations. We know that. We don't bow. We don't sell out. We don't resign office. We don't do whole and wicked. Blessed.